How to find the total storage capacity on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From your home screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In the settings page, swipe up to go down and tap on General, then tap on About. Next, we go down and it will show you the capacity for your device. This is the total storage capacity on this iPhone. It is 128 gigabytes of available memory. Now, if I tap on the back key at the top and I go down and tap on iPhone storage, it will also tell me that on this iPhone I have 128 gigabytes, and at the moment I have used up 16.1 gigabytes. And if you go down, you will be able to analyze which apps using up the most storage space. So you can see at the moment Notes is using up 215.7 megabytes of storage space. And from the list here, you can go down and see what else is using up the storage space. And if there is any particular app that you are not using, you can perhaps delete them to recover some of the storage space on your device. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.